So in this video, I just want to show you quickly how to take your cake of our 2-ply camel and how to find the center pole and then the outer pole to be able to use the yarn as a double, as a holding 2 strands together. So I've got here's the outer, that's always going to be very easy to find, but the inner one is always a little bit difficult, and I don't want to pull that whole center out, so I'm just trying to see if I can find where is there we go. Okay, and that's going to be fine. I've pulled out a little, but I know here's the end, and I'm just going to lengthen that out and straighten it out, and then I'm going to take and put the 2 ends together like this. Now what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm unfurling, keep it in the camera, unfurling the outer so that there is even length. So now I'm going to just smooth them and make sure that they're smooth and they're just about the same length together. So now you can see that I've got them the same length, and then we're ready to go. I'll just pull back the yarn and I've got it nice and ready to go, and that's how you can use the 2 together, using the center pull along with the outer to, off of one cake, be able to double your 2-ply into a 4-ply. And so this will make a really lovely fingering weight yarn.